Planning a trip to Walt Disney World is magical, but the reality is, the costs can climb fast. Between tickets, hotels, food, and extras, families can easily spend thousands before they've even stepped into the parks. But here's the good news. If you're strategic, you can cut those costs way down without giving up the perks of staying on property. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to use Marriott Bonvoy points to book 3 Disney area hotels that come with on-property benefits. This means you'll still get deluxe Disney perks, walking access to EPCOT and Hollywood Studios, and world-class Marriott service, while spending a fraction of the cash price. Why focus on Marriott hotels at Disney World? Disney offers incredible benefits to on-property guests. Early theme park entry every morning, extended evening hours on select nights, exclusive to deluxe-level resorts, complimentary transportation across Walt Disney World, and the big one, the ability to book Lightning Lane rides 7 days in advance, while off-property guests only get a 3-day window. Normally, these perks cost a fortune. Deluxe Disney hotels often run $600 to $900 a night, but Marriott's Swan, Dolphin, and Swan Reserve hotels are special. They sit right on Disney property, they're classified as deluxe resorts, and you can book them using Marriott points instead of cash. The Marriott hotels on Disney property. There are 3 properties you'll want to know: Walt Disney World Swan Hotel, Walt Disney World Dolphin Hotel, Walt Disney World Swan Reserve. All 3 are within walking distance of EPCOT and Hollywood Studios, which is a huge perk. You can skip the buses entirely and stroll right into the park. They also share resort amenities like multiple pools, game rooms, health clubs, and world-class dining. Points, cost, and fees. So, how many points do you need? Expect redemption rates between 50,000 and 70,000 points per night, depending on season and demand. Marriott gives you the 5th night free on award stays. So if you book 5 nights with points, you only pay points for 4. But there are some fees to know about. Resort fee, about $51 per night. Parking fee, around $36 per night for self-parking. Now, the silver lining, those fees cover free Disney theme park parking, which normally costs $30 a day. And remember, compared to paying $600 plus a night in cash, redeeming points is still an incredible deal. How to earn Marriott Bonvoy points for Disney. If you're new to Marriott points, here are the fastest ways to rack them up. Co-branded Marriott credit cards, like the Chase Bonvoy Boundless or Amex Bonvoy Brilliant. These often come with massive sign-up bonuses that can cover multiple free nights. Stay at Marriott hotels and leverage elite status for extra earning. Transfer points from Chase or Amex. If you have Chase Sapphire Preferred, Sapphire Reserve, or Amex Membership Rewards cards, you can move those points into your Marriott account. Everyday spending. Use a travel rewards card for all your groceries, gas, and bills. If you're not doing this, you're leaving free travel on the table. Stack cashback portals. This is where the savings really add up. We personally use Rakuten and Top Cashback for everyday shopping, stacking cashback on top of card rewards. Then we cash out for Disney gift cards, park tickets, or just cover everyday trip expenses. Want the exact step-by-step system? Check out our Disney Cashback Toolkit. It shows you how to slash $600 to $1,400 off your Disney costs every single year. Tips for maximizing Marriott points at Disney. Book early to lock in lower redemption rates. Travel off-peak for lower points and cheaper tickets. Leverage the 5th night free when booking with points. Use free night certificates from Marriott credit cards to stretch your stays. Double up with a partner. If you and your spouse each get a Marriott card, you can combine points for a bigger stash. And don't forget to stack with cashback portals for even more savings. Buy Disney gift cards through Top Cashback, earn 5% or more back, then use those gift cards for dining, merchandise, or even park tickets. There are a couple of caveats. Swan, Dolphin, and Swan Reserve are not eligible for the Disney dining plan. Resort and parking fees are unavoidable. So if you're after a truly free stay, you may want to look at Marriott Vacation Club or off-property hotels without resort fees. That said, the location, perks, and ability to walk into EPCOT or Hollywood Studios make these Marriott hotels one of the best hacks for Disney trips. By strategically earning and redeeming Marriott points, you can unlock deluxe-level Disney benefits while keeping thousands of dollars in your pocket. We've personally tested these strategies. Every card, every cashback trick, every point transfer. And they work. Families just like yours have turned what would be a $6,000 trip into one that costs under $1,500 out of pocket. If you're ready to start stacking points and cashback for your next Disney trip, grab our free Disney Cashback Toolkit linked below. It's packed with step-by-step strategies tested on real Disney trips. And if you want more guides like this, don't forget to subscribe. We share all the insider Disney hacks that save families thousands every year. Disney World is expensive, but with the right strategy, you can walk into EPCOT at night, see Spaceship Earth glowing, and know your hotel was free. Paid for with Marriott points. That's the kind of Disney magic we love.